Hi, Kanjam Cooks. Good morning to you. Welcome to the Philippines, Kanjam Cooks. Do you have a new upload there? You can drop the link, my friend, Kanjam Cooks. How are you there in Canada? The weather here in the Philippines is so raining, raining very hard.
First go to the portal. What portal? Teleport to Florida. I'm here. I'm here. Can you drop him? Invite? Drop.
I am thanking God because my Wi-Fi is quite good today. That's why I have time to go on live streaming.
Hey.
Kanjam Cooks, on the way to your channel, my friend. Wow, you have salmon tacos. Playing this one, my friend. There is ads in your first part of the. There is ads on the first part of your video, my friend Kanjam Cooks.
Depends. Sometimes you just need to run.
Alright, Kanjam Cooks. My mister is playing your video there. Salmon tacos. Yeah. First part of the video, my friend Kanjam Cooks, of this salmon tacos has an ads of 2 minutes. One of two sponsor. There is an ads of 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay man na tumagari, di kay man latarwarin. You're welcome, my friend Kanjam Cooks. Thank you also for visiting my live stream. Good morning to the 6 viewers there. This morning is raining in the Philippines, in my area, in the province of Abra, part of the Cordillera Administrative Region. Welcome, everyone. Today is Saturday. Alright, I'm not getting paid for that ads. Not sure. Why? Are you not yet monetized? If you're a monetized channel, there is revenue in the ads. Yes. Alright. Same here. I'm not yet monetized. That's why if there are ads in my videos, I am not paid. YT is taking advantage of it. Yes, YT is the one who is being, get profit. But it's okay. Part of the YT journey. Yes. Yes, support ako, Kanjam Cooks. Support ako is my Nindia. She is also one of will be played your video. L3, hi, thumbs up. Thank you so much, L3. Good morning to you, L3. L3, do you have all right, there is a video that L3 dropped for the link. All right, let's pin. All right. I'm YT boyfriend until they pay me. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Kanjam Cooks. LG, all right. On the way to your channel, my friend. Hi, Jose Francisco. Welcome to my live stream. Sir Jose Francisco. I will give you a moderator, my friend Jose. Good morning. Good morning to you, Jose Francisco. Is that your morning? Is that your main channel, my friend Jose? If that's so, so I can go and play your video. L3 on the way to the pin. My friends, let's support also L3. L3, you can support Kanjam Cooks. He is a very good friend. L3, I'm very much sure Kanjam Cooks will also support you. L3, intense shoulders workout. All right. Roma B Vlog in Paris. Hello, Roma Vlog in Paris. Good morning to you. Good morning in the Philippines. I will give you a moderator, my friend. All right. Thank you so much for the like, my friends. You can drop the link. You can drop your link, video link, my friend Aroma. Good morning po, the Borton Channel. Hello, good morning, the Borton Channel. This is my friend, Borton Channel. I will give you a moderator, my friend Borton. All right, thank you so much.
No, tita. Okay.
Good morning po. I will keep an angel on your LS. Repay your support you give on my LS. All right, thank you so much, the Borton Channel. Actually, I was not be able to do live streaming for the past few days because of the weather, inclement weather in the Philippines, in my area. The weather here is so very day, so my Wi-Fi was also affected. That's why. Hi, Wong Mo! Wong Lak is here. Wong Lakrak, I want you to introduce my friend here, the Borton Channel. Wong Lakrak, Wong Mo. Latte, hello, good morning to you, my friend. I will give you a moderator also. All right, guys. Kanjam Cooks. Wong Mo, hi from Kanjam Cooks. Ayan, Wong Mo, you can connect with Kanjam Cooks also. He is a very good friend from Canada. And Wong Mo is a very good friend from Indonesia. All right. And also with the Borton Channel, guys. Let's also support the Borton Channel as well as the L3. Guys, while I'm playing your video, you can connect with each other. All right. Thank you so much.
Wow!
I'm still playing the intense shoulder workout of L3. Kanjam Cooks, while I'm playing the 5-minute video of Kanjam Cooks salmon tacos. Salamat po for the jacket. I will join you on the YouTube tutorial made easy. All right, thank you so much, the Borton Channel. She is a very good friend. I just subscribed to LG. All right, LG. LG calling the attention of LG. All right, LG. I just want you to know that Kanjam Cooks has already subscribed to you. All right, I subscribe. All right, thank you so much, Latte. Do you have a new upload there or anything that you want to be watched? Just drop the link, guys, and I'm gonna play it. All right, thank you so much. That salmon taco still playing. I just finished 2 minutes out of 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Thank you so much. I'm almost done with the intense shoulder workout. L3, you got one sub from the host. Thank you so much, L3. One sub from the host. May I know the Burchon channel when are you gonna on live stream so I can also support or send my angel? Thank you so much, the Burton channel. Are you on live stream tonight? I'm from Canada too, but now in Japan for last 2.5 months. All right, the Burton channel is a very good friend from Canada, and now he is in Japan for the last 2.5 months. All right, take care there, my friend, the Burton channel, and I wish you a very good, very nice stay in Japan. I'm very much sure Japan is a good country, as I'm not yet visited Japan, but I am very much sure Japanese people are very good host country. I'm from the Philippines. What about you? All right, I'm from the Philippines in Abra. Healthy and success, everyone, from Wongmu. Thank you so much, Wongmu. I'm done with your video, my friend L3. Next is
Naabak ka games mo?
the Borton channel. The next is Latte and Wongmu. Awan na sa pa din nagring dagita. Apay da kanumot akyat bahay. Da kanu akyat bahay.
Diyan.
Mukaya kini mamang. Nakita na ngamin nga nga na unog deta kwan. Deta tulbukon.
Itoy?
Kunana, ang agan-anad kayo kukwa da kanu kwan. Ang kunana mo. Pagamom nagawid mo to, hindi na mo lang ay inistoryan. Alright, the Borton channel, playing your video, my friend.
Nalaiyak Heinz.
Alright, thank you so much. You're back, Latte. Alright, I'm gonna visit your channel, Latte. Don't you worry, my friend. All of you there, all of you there, I'm gonna play the videos. Wong Lakrak, I'm in your sorotan, the highlight, my friend. What you're hearing now is the sound of Wong Mu. All right, guys. Sorotan is for highlight of my friend Wong Lakrak is being played. As well as the Borton channel and my friend Kanjam Cooks. What you're hearing now is the voice of Wong Lakrak. 12 like done here, the Borton channel. Alright, the Borton channel. Thank you so much, the Borton channel. Next is Latte. Alright, thank you so much there. If you want to drop a link, just drop a link, my friends, and I will pin. Latte, I'm in your video now. Habang ora yung may video ko. Doon pa lang. Lain ka na. Latte, you, Mr. Madayag, done. Thank you so much, Wong. Latte connected, but your comment section, Latte, is disabled, so I cannot leave a comment to my friend Latte. Support ako ni Miss. Alright, the Bolton channel, that is my Nindia or my angel. She will be the one to go to your live stream. They have a live stream tonight. Yes, support ako. Yeah. Thank you so much. My friend Latte playing the third of your video here. Short video. But the comment section, Latte is not, is disabled. That's why I cannot leave a comment. But I am already subscribed to your channel, Latte. Latte has mostly of her videos are short. Vibrant Colors by Latte. Alright, thank you so much. I have... Sorry, Miss Jamie, I'm going now. Yes! Wong Lakrak, I wish you a very wonderful day ahead. Wong Lakrak, take care, my friend. I know you have work today. That's why. Take care, my friend Wong Lakrak. Thank you so much for the visit this morning. Take care. Bye. Wong mo, bye. Thank you so much. Kailangan namtang na nakakuan. Ang daway ni kanon ni kuan. Welcome from Wong mo. Thank you so much. Who else are there? May I see the video of... Alright. Wong Lakrak, your Sorotan here is already done playing. Thank you so much. Kanjam Cooks, halfway done to your video, my friend. Kanjam Cooks. Hi, Roma Vlog. On the way to your channel. Roma Vlog. Roma B Vlog in Paris has a very big house. She has a 15.3 thousand subscribers. Roma B Vlog in Paris. Thank you so much. Playing the 9-minute video of Roma B Vlogs. At the first part of your video, Roma has an ad. Alright, thank you so much, Roma, playing. Kanjam Cooks playing your music. Alright, what you're hearing now is the sound of salmon tacos of Kanjam Cooks. Yeah, that's the sound of salmon tacos by Kanjam Cooks. Wow, very yummy tacos. Nagkonham. Alright, Kanjam Cooks, I leave a comment here. Kanjam Cooks, follow watch your video here. Salmon tacos. Sorry for being late. Oh wow, I will give you a moderator, my friend. Alright, I will go to your channel, the Borton channel, for the second video. Thank you so much, my friend, the Borton.
I can buy from those.
Hi, Aweng Mix Vlog. Good morning to you, Aweng Mix Vlog. Thank you so much. I will give you a moderator, my sister. All right, thank you so much. Tamsak Dan host. Thank you so much for the Tamsak. Ma'am Aweng. All right, on the way to your channel, Ma'am Aweng. Kailan ka naman po live stream, Ma'am Aweng, para makasupport din ako? Wow, si Ma'am Aweng, ang laki ng kanyang bahay, 20,000. Wow, kailan kaya ako magkakabahay? Ay, hindi na, magkakaano na lang ako. Sana ma-achieve ko na yung 3K ko. Kasi kulang pa ako guys ng 100 hour. Kaya ito, naghahabol. Ayan, Mama Weng, nandyan na ako sa iyong playing highlight. One banana for you, Ma'am Aweng. Thank you so much. Hi, Nasir Ahmed. Nasir Ahmed, thank you so much, Nasir, for the visit in my live stream. Welcome to the Philippines. I will give you a moderator. Alright, nasa highlight ako ni Ma'am Aweng. Ay, 19 years old pa daw si Latte. Alright, Latte. Thank you so much, Latte. Nagpe-play ako ng mga short videos mo. Wala kasi akong makitang long videos mo, Latte. Pero, naka-disable po yung iyong comment section, Latte. Kaya hindi ako makapag-comment. Di pa! Miss Aweng, hindi pa. Kulang pa ako ng 100 watch hour dun para mabuo ko yung 3K watch hour. Konting kembot na lang. Konting kembot pa. Ma-achieve ko rin yun. Mama Aweng, still play your highlight. Latte, if you want, upload longer video than shorts. Opo, hindi pa ako monetize. On the way to the Burton channel for the second video. Thank you so much sa 4 na nanonood dyan. The Burton Channel, 1 banana from the host. The Burton Channel, pagpasensya nyo na yung kaya ko lang ibigay. Limited pa lang yung plantasyon ko ng banana, guys. But I can give you watch hour. Please don't run away. Wow, there is a turtle in the house of the Burton. Nasir, you can drop a link, Nasir. Latte, thank you so much. Latte, upload. I will more long form videos. Para so your watch hour will boom. Alright. Pindan, alright. Ma'am Aweng, pindan na daw si The Burton Channel. Mag-leave ka lang ng comment dyan, Ma'am Aweng. Mabiat yan si The Burton. Binigyan niya ako ng ayan, may angel siyang nakatambay dyan. Si Tutorial Made Easy. The Burton Channel still playing your Don't Run Away. Mama Weng still playing your September 18 na highlight. 1 banana from the host, Mama Weng. Alright, for Ma'am Owen. Nag-comment na ako, Ma'am Owen, para baka tumalon ito. Ayan, matatapos na. One banana from the host, 21st tamsak doon dito sa highlight na ito, Ma'am Owen. Alert, Ma'am Owen, may ads. Towards the end of the video, may 2 ads. Alright. Mahaba-haba ang ads mo, Sis Aweng. Check yan, sabi. Third video, the Burton channel. What should I do? There are ads in your video, the Burton channel. Playing this third video. First part of the video, my friend the Burton has ads. Wow. Ma'am Aweng, second video for you, Ma'am Aweng. Pinabili ng bread. Ayan. Currently, dito, Ma'am Aweng, mayroon siyang 46 thumbs up. Alright. The Burton channel, third video. The Burton, I'm still here. What should I do? Alright, this is a lovely turtle. Wow, napakaamo ang turtle ni Sir. 10th like done.
Paginitan ko lang ang trigger set ba?
Ala, DJ? Ay, mapuuran. Sabi mo lang dito ni asidad tikwa. Dito dito lang saan ano makasagap mo ulat init. Namamong i-direct.
Ay, ito lang. Pag umasanak to di ko, hindi basig lang ang spray yun. Hindi kas last to yun. Di battle nga. Tapos di ba?
Oo, hindi pandaw. Alright, the Burton channel. Ay, wow! Thank you so much! Mama Weng, hanggang 30 minutes na lang ako kasi maghahatid ako ng ng bata sa training center. Alright. I will select longer video, the Burton channel. 1, 2, alright, this one. 11 minutes. iPad battery replacement. Another video for the Burton channel. 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Alright, the Burton channel playing. I'm on live stream until 9:30 this morning, guys, because I'm going to we're going to have a training, taekwondo training of my boys. Ma'am Aweng, almost done na po yung bread. Roma Pam Vlog, done with this. All right. Wow. 47 thumbs up, my friend. Aweng. All right. Mr. Madayag, salamat po. That is also my angel, my friend, the Borton. Don't you worry, that is my friend. That is my ninja. Yung mas mahaba na lang po, Ma'am Aweng, para itong mas mahabang video. Ito. 10 minutes. Ma'am Aweng, first part ng video mo, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Alright, Ma'am Aweng playing. The Burton channel playing yung 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 4, 07 iPad battery replacement. Mahal daw po ito replace ng iPhone or Apple. Hi, Teresa Francisco. Good morning po, host. All right. Ma'am Teresa Francisco Vlog. Thank you so much. I will give you a moderator. All right. You have a moderator already, my friend. Team Addicts. Wow. Paano po ba maging Team Addicts, ma'am? Kasi na-addict na ako sa Facebook. Ay, di. Sa YouTube. Wow, ang bait naman po ni ma'am. Ma'am, mag-play ako ng video mo, Ma'am Teresa. Paano po ba maging addicts? Team Addicts. One banana from the host, Ma'am Teresa. Ay, may upcoming si Ma'am Teresa, guys. Ito, ipapin natin. Ma'am Teresa, andyan si The Borton Channel. Mabait din siya. Kagaya mo. Merong upcoming premiere ni Ma'am Teresa. Ayan, guys, upcoming premiere ni Ma'am Teresa. Yan natin. Upcoming premiere ni Ma'am Teresa, guys. Alright. Let's support. O nga po nagkaka-addict sa YT. Awan, iniwan ko na po si Reels. Dito na lang ako. Mas marami akong friends na hindi kilala pero legit. Supportive. Ayan. Ma'am Aweng, still playing your 10 minutes video. Ma'am Teresa, hanggang 9:30 lang, ma'am. Thank you so much at napunta ka sa aking live stream. Thank you so much. Tutusukan ko lang yung sana makapunta ako dito 10 a.m. Kailan ba? 24. Ay, may orientation kami sa 24, 10 o'clock. Malay mo, makasingit ako sa, during seminar. 10 o'clock umaga. Second, tusok, Ma'am Teresa. Ma'am Teresa, friend na kayo ni ni The Borton. Mabait yan, ma'am. Ni The Borton Channel. Tinatambayan ako ni The Borton Channel. Ayan, nakatamsak na tayo. Guys, let's support the upcoming premiere of Miss Teresa Francisco Vlog. Let us tusok-tusok. Alright, tusok-tusokin natin ang upcoming premiere ni Ma'am. Sa wakas na i-apply na, Ma'am Aweng. Naka 3 minutes na ako sa 10 minutes mo, Ma'am Aweng. Don't you worry. Haba pa naman. 5, 10, 15 pa. Ayan. Ma'am Teresa, playing ako dito. Ma'am Aweng, naka 3 minutes na ako sa 10 minute mo. The Borton Channel, 5 minutes na po ako sa 11 minutes video mo. Pasensya na kayo guys, saglit lang ako kasi humabol lang ako ng live stream dahil 2 days or 3 days na ako hindi nakapag live stream dahil napakalakas kasi ng ulan, sunod-sunod ang bagyo dito sa amin. Siyempre kung may bagyo, bina-brown out nila, walang ilaw, wala rin wifi. Ganun kasi pag nasa province, mahirap. Pero buo ang binabayad namin sa net. What you're hearing now is the video of the Borton Channel. Wala kasing music. Natatakot muna akong mag-on ng music. Daming bunga ng atis. Ay, mabilis ito. The bunga ng atis. Almost done na ako. 18 tamsak, Ma'am Teresa. Prepare you the gijay, balon yung adanuman, kids. Alright, full watch na po, Ma'am Teresa. Maghanap ako ng mas mahaba. Yan. Mag-play ako ng isa pa, Ma'am Teresa. Habulin natin yung may 20 minutes pa naman ako. Nakakalahati na ako, Sis Aweng. Naka 5 minutes na ako sa 10 minutes mo. Ayun. Ito yung sound ni The Borton Channel playing the 407 iPad battery replacement. 8 minutes, done na po ako sa 11 minute video mo, The Borton. Ito na lang, Ma'am Teresa, 11 minutes para isahang salang lang. Wow, may ads agad. Watching harang, Ma'am Teresa. Ayan, Ma'am Teresa, mas mahaba, mas maganda. Mas mahaba, mas magandang i-play para hindi na putol-putol. Ito ang napapakinggan nyo guys, the son of the Borton Channel. I have already visited page 5 times now, twice in 2019 and once in 2022 and 2023, 2024. All right, the Borton channel. What specific place in the Philippines, my friend, the Borton? Maybe you already visited Boracay or Palawan. What else are famous tourist destination in the Philippines? Palawan, Boracay, or you already come to the summer capital of the Philippines in Baguio City. Team Addicts pala si Ma'am Aweng. All right, thank you so much. Ipasugod mo Ma'am Aweng. Eto, nakaka 7 minutes na ako dito sa video mo. Na sa wakas na i-apply na rin ang natutunan. Nakalibre si Lola. Oo nga. Mahal din nito magpagupit tsaka magpakulay. I have been to Caloocan, Montalban, Rizal. So the Wawa Dam. Oh wow, I have not yet been there in Wawa Dam. Taguig, Mandaluyong, Baguio. Ah wow, I'm near in Baguio City. There 5 hours drive from my place going to Baguio City. Iligan City, wow, you already went there, Iligan. Cebu, and this year in Manila. All right, congrats, the Borton channel. You're from Canada, but now you're in Japan, and now you're coming soon to the Philippines. All right, that's a good news. So, tangon sabaw ni Sis Teresa ay naka 2 minutes na out of 11 minutes. Thank you so much guys for the support. Thank you. Salamat. Yung nakapin guys is the upcoming premiere of our friend Teresa. Patusok-tusok naman dyan, guys. Wow, done to your 11 minutes. 7th like done from me, the Borton channel. I will soon be settling down in the Philippines, but not yet decided where. All right. You will be settling here for good in the Philippines. Wow, that's nice. Done to the video, my friend, the Borton channel. I will select another one. I still have 20 minutes. 1, 2, 3. This one. This one, exotic cruise underground. Wow, where is this? Where is this underground? Exotic cruise underground. Ang puro. Ah, wow! Fully watch na ako! Si Saweng. 107 tamsak. 107 tamsak. Nakapigpig sa lamo dito. Alright, si Saweng. Fully watch ito. Habol tayo ng isa pang video.
Alvin, what's Alvin? Level 50. Boss.
Sis Owen. Playing this at my garden, 10 minutes. Para mahaba, walang putol. Yan. Kasi gusto ko mag-play ng video basta maganda. Ayan, naka-halfway done na ako, Sis Teresa, sa sotanghon mo. May ads na po, Ma'am Awen. Bongski! Bong! Alright! Hello, Idol! Awen, mega love shout out. Wow, Bongski! I will give you a moderator. Wow, pasensya ka na. Alert si host. Bongski! On the way to your channel, Bongski. Thank you so much. Chona support! Wow! Si Ma'am Chona ba ito? Ma'am Chona, ikaw ba to? My very good friend, Chona's Adventure Vlog. Ikaw ba yan, Ma'am Chona? Bongski! One banana from the host. Isang banana lang more, Bongski, pero hinugyan na. One banana for Bongski after I watch.
Yay!
Hintay mo na ito, mag-agree. Bongski, bago ako mag-play ng long video mo, meron akong nakita dito upcoming premiere sa 21. Ngayon! Ay, wow, baka makapunta ako dito. 5:15, mamaya.
Yay!
Susukan natin, plus 1 banana, Bongski, my friend. 20th tamsak. Alright. All set done. All set done na ako, Bongski. Agkapet ang arudo na. Ayaan ni Chona detoy. Ni Chona Zikwa. Jay. Ayun ni Savings. Ni Chona detoy. Chona sumalang. Agkapet ang arudo. Nung garudo. Tudo dito yung may. Grabe. Nung agtudo. Alaan na pay mo ni pati si Umi. Brown out. Ma'am Chona, ito, pasensya ka na, nakahubad ka pa rin. Ayan, may full suit ka na. Alright. Bongski, play yung popcorn. Sige guys, habulin ko kayo. Wait lang. Ayan, Bongski playing. 1 banana from the host. Exotic Cruise. Halfway done sa Exotic Cruise. Sa sotanghon ni Ma'am Teresa. Ay wow, almost done na ako. And then, sipi-play ko na si Ma'am Chona. May isa pang laptop dito guys. Kaso, yung hiniram kong laptop na to, pumapal yan naman. namamatay, nakasaksak na nga lang yung outlet. Alright. 1 minute na lang, matatapos ko ng sotanghon may sabaw. For Ma'am Teresa. Wow, tambay ito ah. Alright, salamat Ma'am Chona ha. Thank you so much. God bless you. May sisikoy.
Level mo 60. How you take your level 10? Because your level.
Sana matrikay na ako. Nagbawas kasi yung ano.
Level up.
Nagbawas kasi si Whitey. Binawasan pa ako. Ma'am Chona, nandito ako sa iyong bahay. Playing ito, Province Life, foggy morning. Lalo na po sa inyo, maraming fog. Hi, I'm Milan! Andito ang isa kong kaibigan na si Aymiland TV na na-meet ko the other night. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Aymiland. I wish you a wonderful day, Saturday. All right, Aymiland TV. Wow, fully watch na po ako dito sa Sotanghon Sabaw ni Ate Teresa. Lucy Warren's World. Hi, my gorgeous friend in the US, Lucy Warren's World. You can connect with them, my friend Lucy.
Terrible. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I will use infinitely strength. Means I can just one shot you. You have only 2. 60.
Full watch na yan, Sis Teresa. Province Life. Foggy morning for Jonas Vlogs still playing. Si Ma'am Awen, napakarami ang tanim at malawak na garden ng aking mother. Still playing. Mahaba-haba ito. Punta ako sa isa. Bomski, 11 minutes, still playing. Almost done, the Burton channel. I'm Milad, on the way. I'm Milad. On deck is my gorgeous friend, Lucy. I'm Milad, on the way. Naka-live ka po ba, ay Milan? Ay Milad pala. Parang naka-live. Naka-live ka yata, kaibigan. Huwag mong iikot ang iyong main channel. Magbabawas yan. Bumukbangin ka. Huwag mong iikot ang iyong main channel, ay Milad, na naka-live. Mumukbangin ka lang ni Whitey. Nandito na ako sa live stream mo. Ay Milad, naka-live stream ka yata. Huwag mong iikot ang iyong main channel, my friend. Ay Milad. Mababawasan ka dyan, kaibigan.
1.
Taga saan ka, Abra? Taga Abra, Chona. Nandito ako sa Abra, Kadabra. Dito sa pinakamalayong lugar sa North Luzon. The port. Burton Channel, done to your video, my
Hey,
friends.
Giat, what are you doing?
Except nagpapasuhi yung mga anak ko eh. Pagbigyan niyo naman ako mag-YT, ngayon lang. Popcorn vendor still playing. Ay, Isabela! Oh, magkalapit lang tayo. Kaso, 12 hours yata ang papuntang Isabela. Pero meron, na-open na yung Abra Kalinga Road eh. Pwede nang dumaan dyan. And Mr. Madayag. Alright, thank you so much, Bongski. Still playing. Baka walang music si Bongski. Ayan. What you're hearing now, mga kaibigan, ay boses ni Bongski.
Ilang kilong anong tawag sa ano
Almost done na po ako, Ma'am Awen. Province Life. Mahaba-haba ang ano mo. Mahaba kasi ang sponsor nito, si Ma'am Chona.
magkano ang pinakamalaking kinita nyo?
One banana, Ma'am Chona. One banana, ripe banana. Isang hinog na saging mula sa akin. Papuntang Isabela. Alright. Yan. 40-second thumbs up. Hindi ba sa YouTube, Chona's Vlog?
Anong oras kayo lumalabas ng para magtinda?
Chona's Vlog, hindi ba sa'yo? Oo, sa'yo to, Chona's Vlog. Yung ano, yung magandang dalaga dito.
Alas 3 daw siya nagsisimula ng magtinda.
Oh, may channel mo daw, Ma'am Chona. Didikitan ka ni Bongski. Yan po ang magandang boses ni Kuya Bongski. Ay, may aso daw siya. Hindi ito.
Dati ganyan kuya.
Ito ang main ko. Ayan, nilalapag na niya. Ito, ayan, ayan na. Kuya Bongski, lalapag na ni, ni Ma'am Chona. Ito lang. Ayan na, ayan na.
Dinde. Pajama. I will be so strong. Come. Jump shot.
Chona's Vlog 19. Oh my God, iba pa lang na-play ko. Thank you, Ma'am Chona.
Ako ni tita.
Da.
Boom. Dahil. No. Teacher.
Dapat training mo. Ako na mo na rin.
Thanks, Mom. Why? Ayan mo. Need to keep playing the screen.
nadikitan ko na to, Ma'am Chona. Yung nag-play ako ng 1 hour na live stream. Playing po ito, Ma'am Chona. Dinner with my employer. Wow! Ang bait naman ng employer mo. Yan. Dinner with my employer.
Nani pa naman kay Turawan. Uy, Dave, mutay ka pangiti ito.
Sarong tuno ka, bigat. Full watch.
A few moments later.
Full watch na ako, Ma'am Aweng. Playing is the video of
Sa upang si Kalman.
may Washington, Ma'am?
Oo. At ano, kapag sa Domingo ka na dito.
Watata, 9:30, 3:30 dati, parbangon.
Tata?
Kasi 6 hours tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3:30 dati parbangon.
17 hours ka nung nagbibiyahe na. Kahit yung mga manok na dito itulungan sila ni Locker.
Ay, may ay, naiwas sa tawang bunto ko.
Hoy!
Naiwas sa tawang bunto ko.
Hindi sa Locker nito.
Naka-play pa rin po, guys. Popcorn vendor still playing. Malapit na, yes, malapit na. Malapit na, malapit na. Andyan na ba sila?
Ganun.
Ayaw pa. Lubat kayo, guys. Adda ni Sir Joshua. Ma'am Chona, sarap ng kinakain mo, Ma'am Chona. Mama Weng, fully watch na ako, Mama Weng. Wala na akong utang kay Ma'am Aweng. Kailan po ba kayo din magla-live, Ma'am Aweng, Ma'am Teresa, Ma'am Chona, para makasupport din ang aking angel. The Borton Channel, thank you so much, guys. Oh, malapit, tatapusin ko na lang itong mga video nila. And then, mag-goodbye na ang iyong host mula sa Abra. Taga-Abra kami, guys. Mga Ilocano ang nandito. Pure Ilocano. Pero marami ding mga mga ethnic group. Mga indigenous people. Wow! One banana for you! Sis Chona. Sarap ng nyo date nyo ni boss. Huwag mang tamaruutan. I also have you on my YouTube. Yes, thank you so much, the Borton Channel. Actually, umiikot, main ko na nandito. Okay lang, yan. Dan Chona, sabi ni Bongski. Yan. Full watch na ako, sis Chona. May mga ads din yan. The Borton Channel, I played several of your videos. Hi, Mama Bear! My Mama Bear is in the house. I will give you a moderator. Mama Bear, patapos na rin ako, Mama Bear. Ito, tinatapos ko na lang. Pero magpe-play ako, Mama Bear. Maski tapos ko na, matatapos, maski mag-end ako, magpe-play ako. Kabsat Chona, good morning! Mula kay Mama Bear. Si Mama Bear Vlog.
Depends. Need soap? No, it doesn't count. Normal? Wait, let me finish this. Where's the pen?
Grabe, hindi ko napuntahan yung aking premiere kagabi. Nawalan ako ng signal. Mama Bear, playing, Mama Bear. Salamat po sa lahat. Hello, Bing of San Jose. Ayan, si Bing of San Jose. Ibigyan kita ng moderator. Alright, thank you so much. Sa popcorn, matatapos na ang popcorn ni Kuya Bongski. 46 tamsak na ako dito, Kuya Bongski. Yan, Kuya Bongski. Seconds na lang, matatapos na. 10 seconds na lang, matatapos na ako. Fully watch na ako, Ma'am Chona. Si Ma'am Chona, isa lang yung napanood kong video na. Sige, isa pa, Ma'am Chona. Sabay kayo ni Bing of San Jose. Para sulit naman ang tinambay mo sa akin. Ito, weekend live. Ni Ma'am Chona, 13 minutes. Para sabay kayo ni Mama Bear. Iiwan ko na lang tong laptop na bukas. Yan, 13 minutes, weekend live for my very good friend, Chona. And Mama Bear. Sino pa po yun? Hindi ko na-play dyan. Ay, si Bing of San Jose. Popcorn, fully watch, Popcorn, Bongski, thank you so much. Bing of San Jose, here I am. Here I come pala. Bing of San Jose, 1 banana from the host. Isang banana man pero hinog, pwede nang kainin. Ito, maghanap-hanap din ako ng more than 10 minutes para sabay kayong matapos.
Yeah, that one,
Bing of San Jose, ba't puro 5 minutes? Ito na lang. Kailangang makisama sa customer. Parang napanood ko na yata. Ay, hindi pa. Oh, may mga harang na, Bing of San Jose. $11 minutes video mo, Bing of San Jose playing. Pero may harang sa unang pasok ng video ni Bing of San Jose. Snake Light, Mama Bear playing. Chonas playing. Ay! Ma'am Tess! Ma'am Tess! Ma'am Tess! Naghahanda ka siguro mag-live stream, Ma'am Tess. Sige, Ma'am Tess, habol ko. Kasi patatapos na ako, Ma'am Tess. I-play ko to. Video mo. Wala pa naman yung trainer eh. Peace Tess Lifestyle Vlog. Ayan. Na-search ko na siya. Si Ma'am Tess na isa ding bigating YouTuber. Pero mabait siya na dito sa aking live stream ngayon. Bing of San Jose, full pack connection. Wow! Bing of San Jose, ayan, mabait si The Borton Channel. Suportahan natin si The Borton Channel, guys. He is now in Japan.
How did you that? I fit with all their stunts.
Ma'am Tess, playing po ako dito. Shh, akin kinmasahan.
Ito na kung namin.
Ayan, playing. You're welcome. You're welcome po, the Bing. Last, playing for the Borton channel. My friend the Borton. Very good friend din itong si the Borton. Lagi kay Chonas Adventure Vlog. Would you live here? For the Borton, would you live here? Playing. Alright, playing. Would you live here?
Baka, ability. Dito, and then you can get dito.
Alright. Bing of San Jose, ang haba ng ads mo. Oh, pangalawang ads, 3 minutes. Bing of San Jose. Pangalawang ads, 3 minutes. Jonas Vlog, naka 4 minutes na ako sa 12 minutes and 59 seconds mo. Sisters, nasa harang pa rin ako, sisters, ng iyong video. You're welcome, Kuya Bing. Jonas Vlog, ang sarap nito. Weekend live, wow, ang sarap. The Borton channel, halfway done, the Borton channel. Thank you so much again, guys. Thank you so much na nandito kayo. Di bale, tatapusin ko to bago ako malis. Andyan na ba, guys, yung trainer? Wait lang, host. Watching muna ako kay The Borton channel para madikitan. Wow, ang bait-bait ni Bing of San Jose. Borton channel, our friend Bing of San Jose is playing your video, and then afterwards is gonna connect to you. All right, sir, The Borton channel. Mabait yan si The Borton channel. Tatambay yan sa live. Minsan ko lang yan natambayan, pero napakabait pa na, naalala pa niya yun. Ang haba talaga ng harang mo. Bing of San Jose, 3 minutes. Naka 2 minutes and 30 seconds na lang. Ito play yung pangalawang harang.
What? You have 3 items? I need this, skeletons to buy.
Thank you so much, Bing of San Jose, for connecting to the Borton channel. Bongski, natapos ko yung mahaba mong video, Bongski. I hope na na-check mo siya. Bongski, ayan, si Bing of San Jose. Babait din siya, si Bing of San Jose. Thank you so much, sisters. Naka-play ako dito sa rat. Samahan niyo ako mag-ikot sa Divisoria Mall. Divisoria Mall, sisters. Lifestyle vlog. Weekend live for Chona. Likab sa Chona. Naka more than 50% na ako. Would you live here? The Borton channel still almost done. Alright, full watch Borton channel. Alright, full watch. Being of San Jose, Snake. Morski! Nakahabol si Morski. Sige, Morski, magpo-play ako para sa'yo, Morski. Mayroon ka ba diyang, may papasampal ka ba diyang upcoming premiere mo, Sir Morski? Si Morski, isa sa mga paborito ko itong piniplay. Kasi pag nagpapa-promote yan ng upcoming, papasampal niya talaga eh. Ay, wala kang upcoming. Ito tayo sa highlight mo, Morski. Diba si Morski, pag nag-live to si Morski, talagang maraming viewers. Ayan, Morski, ayan, para sa'yo yan. Para sa'yo to. Alright, playing for Morski. Yan, matatapos na ako sa pangalawang harang ni Miss Tess lifestyle vlog. Alright, nasa main video na ako ni Miss Tess. Weekend live, wow, matatapos na rin. Fortuna support. 10% done na po kay Mama Bear sa Snake Light na. Bing of San Jose, kailangan makisama customer. Ang haba kasi, Sir Bing. Ang iyong harang. Kaya wala pa ako sa main video mo. Nandito pa lang ako sa harang mo. 3 minutes kasi yung una, yung pangalawa. Hi, Lucy! Ay, sorry, si Lucy. Hindi pa pala ako nakapunta. Sis Lucy, I'm in your channel now. Sis Lucy, my gorgeous friend in the US. One sub for you, Sis Lucy. One sub for my gorgeous friend Lucy.
And then you get the present. Instant. And now you get the new ability, the teleportation.
Alright, playing for Lucy. There are ads in your first part of the video, Sis Lucy. First ad is 3 minutes. Kailangan makisama. Kay Bing. Oh, malapit matapos. 1 minute na lang na harang. Nasa main na ako. Submit Mama Bear. Ay, Chona. Salamat po, host. Walang ano man yan. Upcoming po, host. Thank you. May upcoming. May upcoming si Mga kaibigan, tampalin naman natin tong upcoming ni Bongski. May upcoming si Bongski. Tutusukin din natin yan. Matatapos na si Ma'am Chona si Bulan. Mga kaibigan, baka naman dyan, pwede natin tusukin si Bongski. Yung upcoming niya. Tusukin natin ang upcoming premiere ni Bongski. Supportive din yan si Bongski. Iwan lang po kayo ng bakas, mga kaibigan. At babalikan kayo ni Bongski. Ma'am Chona, 58 thumbs up. Dito sa weekend live mo. Alright. Sisyon na, mafu-full watch na ako. Yay. Siyempre, si Morski. Wow, naka 1 minute na ako, Morski. Di ba, 5 minutes ito. Bigatin talaga si Morski, oh. Sa highlight niya, may 217 likes. Tapos, 262 views. Wow. Weekend live. Ayan. Matatapos na. Thank you so much, Sis Chona Vlog. Full watch. Full watch na ako dito. Next is tutusukin ko na ang upcoming ni Bongski.
Training
Wow, nadadan?
ka tayo.
Ano tayo?
To nagdahan.
Nagkukape kami nagdi white belt. My Morski is playing. And then, tusukin natin still in the ads is Lucy, don't you worry, I will finish the video, sis Lucy, don't you worry. And
Upgrade.
so with Bing of San
What
Jose,
I
haba kasi sis Bing.
did.
Mama Bear still playing. Tusukin natin si Bongski.
Defense and that. What I upgrade. What I upgrade. Strength.
Coming premiere ni Bongski is mamayang hapon.
Defense.
Alright, 5:15.
Adi.
23rd Tamsak Bongski, another one banana from me. Atusok ko na kanina to yung isang ninja ko, another ninja. Second banana na ito, Bongski belt on. Thank you so much. Alright, natusok ko na si Bongski. Tusukin natin talaga siya. Dating dikit, Sir Morski. Ayan, nakadikit na si... Dating dikit na daw, Sir Morski. Bongski, Morski. Ay, wow, may rhyme. Bongski, Morski. Wow, bagay sila. Kita music mo. Nasi-PR ako. Ready kayo. Damagang man mo alaan di Jis. Aday?
Gandang nga din ang Jackie.
No, alaan?
Oo, mo pinag-reply na.
Ay, bangda mapangkam tumarog na itas.
Nalpas ti ride mo.
DJ, iruray ko. Mapantay dyan. Mulagat eh mo lang. Mga kamot lang aday nga ginagad-kati. Nga kasi si datayo. Awa mo di pang kakarne. Wait lang guys, punta lang ako ng CR. Nandito na ako sa main ni Bongski. Bing of San Jose, nandito na ako. Lucy, playing your video. Morski, andito, naka 1 minute na ako, kaibigan.
Ay, mas mura ka. Isang box na. Isang box na baboy. Diba?
Ha?
Tapos, bundle meal. Bundle meal meron. Yes, bundle meal. Bundle meals. Yes. Pizza. Pizza, meron. Mini pizza ba? Oo, mini pizza. Mini pizza. Oh, yun. Sukuli ka pa po. Todo ilan? Tapos roll on. Roll on nila.
Morski, 218th like from the host. May mute na natin Dings kay Abing kasi may ano siya pero playing.
How you get that ability, Alvin? How you get that ability? How you get that? You need to them.
Ang dining kay nagipanan, nagtutudon mo tagtutudon kay gipanan, ti Jersey yun. Kung may agyan mo lang dilugan dito. Hi, sis Super Tinang! Mag-end na po ako, sis Super Tinang. Thank you so much, sis. Patamsak mo dyan. Yes. Yes. Naka 17 tamsak ako ngayon. Sis Tinang, sis Tinang. Bomski! Ayan, si Super Tinang 88 Vlogs. Tanggal mo lang yung 2. Super Tinang 88 Vlogs ang kanyang main channel. Dikit-dikitan nyo lang siya. Mabait yan si Ma'am Tina. Makita lang kayo mag-leave ng comment sa kanyang live, sa kanyang video. Maski anong video ni Ma'am Tinang, mag-iwan lang kayo ng bakas. Talagang pag-play kayo niyan. Si Super Tinang 88 Vlogs. Thank you so much, si Super Tinang, sa pagdala mo ako sa iyong team. Thank you so much. Natapos ko na, Ma'am Tinang. Nakasubmit na ako ng resibo. The Borton Channel still there. Thank you so much, The Borton Channel. I want you to meet my friend here, Super Tinang 88 Vlogs. You just remove the number 2 there. That is her main, Super Tinang 88 Vlogs. The Borton Channel. Maybe friends na kayo. Wow, Sir Jeffrey! Bigyan kita ng jacket, Sir Jeffrey. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ayan. Mega love shout out from Jeffrey Santos. Alright. Thank you so much. Lintay ito. Mega love shout out from my friend Jeffrey Santos. Uy, may artista ako dito. Jeffrey Santos TV. Founder Aweng. Mega love shout out. Opo, si Ma'am Aweng. Sigurado siya nagdala sa inyo dito. Mabait yan si Ma'am Aweng. Being of San Jose, salamat po from The Borton Channel. Guys, mabait yan si The Borton. Ayan, sa kanya yung tutorial made easy. Patambay niya yan pag nagla-live kayo. Wow, fully watch na ako, Morski. Salamat, Morski, sa iyong pagdalaw. Jeffrey, andito ako sa iyong video playing your Jeffrey Santos TV. Ayan, tusukin natin. May upcoming premiere si Jeffrey Santos. Tusukin natin, guys, ang kanyang upcoming Jeffrey Santos. Morski, thank you so much, Morski. Alam kong busy ka, Morski. Salamat sa pagpunta mo sa aking live stream. Ayan po ang upcoming premiere ayan po ang upcoming premiere ni Jeffrey Santos, guys. Let's tusuk Jeffrey Santos. Yung upcoming premiere niya. Alright, 15 thumbs up from the host. And 1 banana. Jeffrey Santos, 1 banana from the host. Isang banana man yan pero hinog. Alright. 15 thumbs up.
I don't. Please, I forget to go. is private.
Alright, Jeffrey Santos, nadikitan ko na. Hi, Ma'am Tess Lifestyle. I'm sure mag-live si Ma'am. Pupuntahan kita, Ma'am, mamaya. Pupunta lang ako dun sa training ng mga kids. Ma'am, sisters, nasa playing pa rin yung iyong ito sa Divisoria. Matagal na ako din nakapunta dyan. Ayan, playing yan. Tatapusin ko lahat yan, guys.
Private so.
But I have to go. Mama Bear, tatapusin ko tong, ayun mo, 13 minutes yata ito, Mama Bear. 12 minutes. Mama Bear, dalawa ang pinasok ni Mama Bear sa akin. Thank you so much. Sis Super Tinang, thank you so much. Bawi na lang ako sa iyo, Miss Super Tinang, sa live stream mo. Yaya Linux Vlog, ha? Yaya Linux Vlog. Ito, sige, isasalang kita dito. Yaya Lin, one banana from the host. Yaya Lin. Yung mahaba na lang ang piliin ko kay Yaya Lin. Ito muna, latest. Tapos mag-play ako ng mahaba mo, mamaya. Yaya Lin, playing. Yan, playing na si Yaya Lin. Bing of San Jose. Wow, matatapos na ako, Kuya Bing. Yan. Naka 7 minutes na ako sa 11 minutes mo. Sige guys, I have to go. Magte-training kami ng mga bata. Don't you worry, naka-play lahat yan. Bongski, natusok ko yung premiere mo, upcoming, 2 ninja ang punta doon. Ipapasok ko na lang yung main ko mamaya, ha, Bongski. Ayusin ko lang yung mga gamit ng mga bata. Guys, nakasalang yung mga video nyo. Tatapusin ko to bago ko makikita nyo na lang naka-red mark. I have to go. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for supporting my live stream. God bless you all guys. God bless you. Bye.